Hey everybody, this is Johnny from Allen1, and I'm here to show you how to install the new XY Vector Monitor Transistor Upgrade Kit. Now what I mean new, this is version 1.5, and let's turn this over. So it's the Transistor Upgrade Kit version 1.5. And here's the first version here. And this is the second version here. And so this is what you're going to be getting in the box over here. You've got an anti-static bag. You're going to have this little card here, talks about it, mounting screws, and then a QR code on where to go and do the installation from this video here. And so inside here you got two wire harnesses, and then you have the new circuit board right here. That's the new circuit board, which steps the voltage down to the correct voltage for the fan. And I know that on the first version, it was running at a higher voltage and we had some concerns. And so we came up with a fix for that. So here's everything in the box here. You got your 3 deflection board cables, and we'll talk about that and where they go and why sometimes you only use 2 and sometimes you use 3. And over in here we have the Allen1 deflection board installed right here. And then if you follow that cable down, the new cable, it comes down to here, and then it's connected to the new board right here. And this wire connects here, and then this other wire connects here, and then it comes up and over and goes to the power for the fan. Now this is version 1 with the upgraded board right here, the upgraded circuit board, inline circuit board. And so if you look at that, it does change a few things. That just goes back up to, now this one here is the Allen1 deflection board, so we're only actually using 2 of the deflection cables here, even though there are 3, but you only need 2. And everything else is coming back over from the HV, back over here, back down to that, and to the harness, and then back over to power everything. So now what I was talking about was over on this side over here. This is the old configuration where we was, if you look at it here, the video board over here was coming across, and then we were getting the power over here, which was too much voltage. But the fans could handle it. We haven't had any failures, but let's make it last continuously longer. So if you follow this cable here, this is the one that's going over here and then going right here to the power for the version, first version TUK. And again, if you see here, we have an extra deflection cable. Now the reason why you got 3 is just in case you're using an original deflection board, then you're going to need all 3. But with the new Allen1 deflection board, you only need 2. And that way we eliminated the low voltage problems that everybody was having. And everything works good on this one. We've been running this one for years up at Flynn's Retrocade without any issues. But I just wanted to show you the way this one is hooked up over to here. And of course you got going to the neck board, but that's how we tapped in over here to the neck to get the power, to get what you needed to come over here to the version 1 transistor upgrade kit. Again, now if we come back over here, and again, this time we're only using 2 over here. You'd be using 3 with an original. And this time, instead of tapping off over here, the power over onto this one, we come back over to here and we're getting the power, which is correct, coming from this side to that one right there. So again, in the box, you're going to get cable number 1, cable number 2, and then you're going to get the new circuit board for the new lower voltage that is required to run the fan. So this is what you'll be getting in the box, and then we will have a PDF file here of everything, how to install everything. So we've got the walkthrough here, PDF file you'll be able to get. It talks about how to do it here, how to hook it up here, how to hook it up there. You know, sometimes it's easier just to show you than to sit there and go through step by step. But okay, so this is a space dual. Everything is hooked up correctly. Follow the instructions, you'll be good to go. So fire it up, and let me kill the light here. So if you look down inside, that is our new audio reg, and that will give you your voltage and your sense circuit voltage. And again, you can turn the lights off on this if you want to, or run it, whatever you'd like. We have new versions of these, and there is a switch on here that you can turn the bling off, but I think that looks pretty dang cool. Okay, come back over here. Again, you know, the light's on there, but it's not too intrusive. So we'll come back here. I just like the looks of that. All right, now let's come back over on this side here. And you have a space dual. And this one is running the new audio reg, the new deflection board, and the TUK with the new circuit board, which steps the voltage down to the fan to the correct voltage. And if you pick something here, and you are good to go. So, whoops, wrong side. But everything is running great. It's running really good. So again, I'll turn all the lights back on so you can see it. So, new deflection board, new transistor upgrade kit. Again, it's just a newer version of the transistor upgrade kit. So again, if you want to see a little bit of the difference, let's see, the power for the fans over on the other side, but the pin configuration is the same. The fans are still the same, and everything is working. With the new voltage, everything looks good here. So, alright. So if you have any questions, give us a call at tech support. Heck, I might even answer it back for you. Or you should not have any problem. So if you do have any questions, yeah, just give us a call and we'll more than gladly help you walk through this. Okay, until next time, see ya.